Hi there, Matt here. Hope you're doing really well. This example here, I'm going to show you how to maximize your data entry input. So do it once and get multiples of your results. So in this case here, we're going to enter in the details once, and that's going to feed into two other sources. So on the right hand side, I've got an Airtable form. And by its very nature, in this scenario here, this is Airtable. So by entering in here, it's automatically going to go into Airtable, obviously. But we're going to push that into another CRM, which is here. So this is entering in once, and you get just bang for your dollar. However, you can imagine if you enter in once, you can multiply, so you can add as many other routes as you wish into whatever other platforms you want. So we're just going to do this one live. So I'll show you what I mean by here. So we'll go do the contact. So do type, we'll say call. Doesn't relate to anything, so I'll keep that blank. Notes, at a productive call regarding some automation possibilities to help his business. So important, we'll go medium. Do that today, and we'll just do follow up. Doesn't matter when it is. Let's say next week. Do submit. So I've entered that in. So that's been inputted into Airtable. So what happens now is we're just going to push that forward. We'll run this once. I'll just get rid of this screen here. And here you have it. So we've got this. So in the green, this is what was automatically put through into this timeline against this client. So going back to the initial scenario, you could substitute. So we did one data entry. So that could be anything. We listed that as a call. It could be a note. It could be absolutely anything. But sometimes you can't completely eliminate data entry, just the very nature. But we can maximize the output of that initial data entry input. So entering once and you get multiples of that benefit. So in this case, enter once, it goes into two things twice. I'll actually show you how it looks like in Airtable firstly before I close. So this is what it looks like in Airtable. So it's been entered in. So I didn't do this manually, automatically done via the form initially. So it's a good user interface using the form. So you can provide that to prospects or clients or internal staff member, whatever. And that can be used to process your data into multiple software, just like that. Thanks guys, hopefully that was helpful. Matt K, Bill K, cheers.